Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we compare products to help you make smarter buying decisions. Today, we have two incredible cleaning robots on the table. In one corner, we have the iRobot Braava Jet M6, and in the other corner, the iRobot Roomba 694. Let's dive into the comparisons and find out which one is the best fit for you. The iRobot Braava Jet M6 is priced at $449, while the iRobot Roomba 694 comes in at $274. It's clear that the Roomba 694 is the more budget-friendly option. The Braava Jet M6 specializes in mopping and is ideal for multiple rooms and larger spaces. It can navigate around objects and under furniture, making it suitable for hardwood tile and stone floors. On the other hand, the Roomba 694 focuses on vacuuming. Its three-stage cleaning system lifts dirt, dust, and debris from both carpets and hard floors. It also comes with an edge-sweeping brush to take care of corners and edges. Both robots boast impressive smart features. The Braava Jet M6, with its VSLAM navigation, learns the layout of your home and builds personal smart maps. This allows it to expertly clean and navigate in neat, efficient rows. Additionally, it can be controlled through voice commands or an app. Similarly, the Roomba 694 is powered by the unique intelligence of iRobot OS. It learns your habits and routines, offering personalized cleaning suggestions. You can control it using the iRobot Home app or your voice assistant. The Braava Jet M6 offers targeted mopping, allowing you to specify areas within your rooms for hands-free mopping. It also comes with smart mapping, enabling you to decide where and when it cleans. With keep-out zones, you can easily avoid sensitive areas. The Roomba 694 incorporates iRobot's patented Dirt Detect technology, allowing it to detect dirtier areas in your home and clean them more thoroughly. It also comes with a full suite of advanced sensors, ensuring it navigates around furniture and avoids falling down stairs. When it comes to battery life, the Braava Jet M6 has a runtime that varies based on the cleaning mode and the type of floor it's cleaning. However, when it's running low on battery, it automatically recharges and resumes cleaning. The Roomba 694 runs for up to 90 minutes before it automatically docks and recharges. Let's take a look at what customers have to say about these products. And there you have it, a detailed comparison between the iRobot Braava Jet M6 and the iRobot Roomba 694. Both robots have their unique strengths and features. If you're looking for a mopping robot with advanced mapping capabilities, the Braava Jet M6 might be the one for you. However, if you prioritize vacuuming and want a more budget-friendly option, the Roomba 694 could be the perfect fit. Remember to consider your specific needs and preferences when making your decision. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more product comparisons. Stay tuned for the next episode of Buy Smart.